YouTube? This is your boy LogicalWonderz with LWG LogicalWonderz Games and WaGunLyfe Adventurez YouTube channel. Just want to let you guys know, for you guys that have Apple devices, that iOS 26.4.2 is available for you to download and update your iPhone, your iPads. I don't know about iPods, but at least anything that uses iOS is eligible for version 26.4.2. Come on down and download it. Alright. So this update provides bug fixes and security updates for your iPhone. I'm gonna go ahead and click update now. Verifying the update. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for your time, love, and support. Please don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you can. Alright. This is doing this thingamajig. That's basically it. My iPhone is updating now to 26.4.2. Wish you all wondertastic, healthy, wealthy, safe, happy, prosperous day, week, and life. This has been LogicalWonderz. Peace and one love.